Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is ASHRAF AIMAN HAIRULNIZAM. Today I'm going to present about lab 1, which is air conditioning maintenance procedure. So, I'm going to present about task 1. The first question is technically explain how to perform the cleaning service for indoor unit. So, the first one is you have to turn off the aircon, which is using the switch. And then next you have to turn off the main switches in the rack to cut off all electrical to avoid any harmful bad things that happen while we cleaning. Next, you have to remove this filter. This is the filter that will have a jam or any bag in the filter. Next, you have to remove the flaps. This is the flap in the air conditioning system. You have to remove it, and you can remove it to clean it later. Next, we have to remove the cover. This is the main cover. We have to remove it to clean the inside of the main cleaning system. Next, we have to dismount the drain tray, which is this is the drain tray inside of it. After we remove the main, we have to dismount the main tray. After that, we can remove the roller blower inside of the main conditioning blower also. Next, we have to go to any washroom or the bathroom to wash using water, the blower, filter, flaps, and all the things that we have dismount. And then after that, we have put out parts out to dry. Next, we have to clean the inside also. We have to clean it using a towel or any wet tissues to clean inside of the main conditioning system. Next, we have to vacuum it. We can vacuum all the inside to clean it from any pressures. Next, we have to put it back all of the part that we already dismount, which is the filter, the blower inside, the flaps, and the main disc. And after that, you have to clean in the indoor unit. That's all for task 1, question 1. So I continue to about task 1, which is question 2. The question 2 is technically explain how to perform the cleaning service for outdoor unit. So for number 2, the first one is the outdoor unit. How to clean it is first remove the screw of top panel and lift the top panel. This is the screw that we have to remove the top panel. Next, remove the 4 screws and remove the discharge grill. This is the 4 screws in the discharge grill. Next, the discharge grill has 4 hooks. This is the discharge grill and it has 4 hooks that we have to remove. Then you have to remove the screws of the front panel. In the inside, it also have a screws which is 4 that we have to remove. And next, the front panel has 4 hooks. We unfasten the hooks, pull and remove the front panel. We also have the hooks that we have to remove before we open it. And after fully open it, caution, for cleaning, do not use hot water above 40 degrees Celsius, benzene, gasoline thinner, no other violet oils, polishing compounds, scrubbing, grunts, no other hard stuff. Next, use plain water for washing, which is pipe water or whatsoever, which is plain water. Make sure water does not go inside the electrical unit, so we do not damage our electrical part and also avoid getting short. And next, now repeat the reverse steps to assemble the air conditioning. So we have to assemble back all the parts after the cleaning, and lastly, put the screw tight in. So that's all for cleaning outdoor unit. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is AIMAN bin AZMI.
Today I'm in charge of task 2. As you all know, the capacitor is to provide a high amount of power for the motor rotate in the cooling process of the air conditioner. So when the cooling process, the capacitor will provide high amount of energy, but after the air conditioner start running, it still provide the power. How to know that the capacitor is damaged? Firstly, we can see
the capacitor is floating at this part. Other than that, our air conditioning system is not blowing a cold air. Other than next, the aircon will on and off automatically.
Yeah.
For the second question, how we change the damaged capacitor? Firstly, we need to use a proper attire, which is wear a glove, a rubber glove, and we need to use a test pen or a long screwdriver. Make sure all the circuit is closed and no circuit in this system. For the number 3, open this valve. And for the number 4, when we changing the capacitor, we need to connect all these fuse correctly, and after that close these two parts, and the new capacitor will do their job efficiently. For the question number 3, what is the sequences if we touch the capacitor directly? We can get an electric shock.
So the next step is we have the vacuum pump and then the hose. Okay, then the yellow hose we will connect to the vacuum pump. Okay, and then the red hose we will connect to the after receiver, which is at the right side. And then so the red, and then the blue hose we will connect to the before compressor, which is at the left side. After that, we will on the vacuum pump, and then we will open all valves until vacuum until zero pressure. After that, we close again the hose. We also close the vacuum pump. Then we close the pump. We take out the yellow hose. We switch it with the gas 22. And then after we connect the gas, we switch on our aircon, and then we open all hose valve and run it about 10 to 20 minutes. So that is how to get the gauge. Firstly, as I said before, the blue hose is connected to the after before compressor, and the red hose will connect to the after receiver. And then the function of this gauge is to feed the refrigerant through all these hose. And then if we open all this high pressure and low pressure, the refrigerant will mix. And then we also can close one of them. Okay, if I open these two, it will mix all the refrigerant into the three of these hose. If I close one of them, and then this hose doesn't have the refrigerant, and then I open again, the high pressure of refrigerant will transfer the refrigerant mix all this again, and it will.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAZIQ Muhammad YUSRI. So today I would like to explain how to check the leakage in the air conditioning system. So first thing first, we need to switch on the vacuum pump. After that, we need to open all hose valve. Then run vacuum pump until the pressure within the system is 0 bar absolute. After that, we need to close all valve, leave it about 1 hour. If the vacuum temperature remains 0, means the system is good. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. After that, we need to put the UV liquid at entrance yellow hose. Then connect hose with nitrogen gas tank. Switch on the aircon and open valve for yellow and blue hose. Next, let the aircon run about 20 minutes. Switch off aircon and close the valve. Use UV torchlight and eyeglasses. Do inspection along the system, especially at the piping area. If find any fluorescent color, that means the area is leakage. spray salt water at covered piping area and observe if any bubble created. If bubble created, that means the area have a leakage. So for the next question, if the temperature reading at blue gauge is about almost 10 degrees Celsius, means the condenser air filter need to be clear from dust or obstacle. That's all from me. Thank you.